One thing more you tell yourself when you drive is that everybody else on the road are idiot. And you're the only sensible smarty on the road. So everybody else are idiot. You're the only person with sense I drive. You see, if everybody tell themselves that, then we would have less fatalities and casualties. See, the bus man, they don't say he's an idiot, yeah? Can you see him? The car right there behind you, he's an idiot as well. And some of these have a thing say you're an idiot too, you know? Because everybody on the road are idiot. And you're the only, yeah, everybody, every other driver, eh? Yeah, they must say I idiot too. So that's why I say every driver up on the road are idiot. So that idiot time I want to drive out by you, so toot your hand or come to a stop, slow down. See me tell you? Make a list. So that's why I say everybody is an idiot. You see? Perfect example, you know. See, that idiot time I want to come in your lane. He have no reason to come over here, say no. So him drive in front and him just cut you off and him have a big space over there. So you see why I say everybody else on the road are idiot? See that? One idiot may run the red lights out. Look out for them. So even though we have the green, look out for the idiot them.